Hey friends, how you guys doing today? You're welcome to cryptocurrencies prices update and news. Today is going to be exciting. I have amazing information to share with you as usual that we wire you. Today on Bitcoin, report adds that Singapore has approved physical Bitcoin ETF. What does that mean? You'll find out in the news. And friends, El Salvador, they bought the dip. They always buy the dip. Of course, my friend Vitalik Buterin proposes EIP 4488. Interesting. What does that mean? You find out in the news. And of course, friends, Shiba Inu is breathing up for launching ship game. Exciting information there for Shiba Inu. And my friends, the DeFi industry recorded approximately $100 million in November alone. Catch that update soon. And friends, billionaire FTX founder says Solana might be the next Bitcoin. Who knows? And Adidas has been partnering, partner. Find out more in the news. By the way, my name is Clinton Ondo to Market Salam. As always, Market Salam is here to help you make sense of your trading and investing. If this is the first time you've seen this channel, we do this always. Please smash the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to get instant updates always. Just so you know, nothing you find in this video is a financial, legal, or tax advice. Please do your own research. Without wasting much time, let's interesting. Are we back in green? Who knows? Bitcoin is currently trading at 57k approximately. Is up by 4.90%. Ethereum 4,321 up by 4% as well. Solana by 6%. DOT is up by approximately 4%. ADA is up 3%. BNB is up 1.2%. SHIB is up. Some other altcoins, and of course others are in red as well. Interesting. Let's see what's here. Today's cryptocurrency prices by market cap. The global crypto market is 2.57 trillion, a 4.80 increase over the last. The interesting here is coming back. Bitcoin, of course, at number 1, Ethereum number 2, Binance Coin number 3, Solana number 5, Cardano number 6, SRP number 7, Polkadot number 9, Doge number 10. Interesting. And of course, on the gainers table today, we have Sand up by 16%, Gala up by 14%, Saks up by 13%, KuCoin up by 11%, Wires up by 11%, and of course all other altcoins are up as well. Also on the losers table, we have BAT is down by 5.43%. We have AMP down by 5.23%, Hedron down by 3.86%, Filecoin down by 1.25%. Interesting, LeafPair is also down as well. All right, friends, let's not waste more time. What's on the news? Interesting one to note there. Physical Bitcoin fund approved in Singapore. Awesome news. Let's see what's here. In addition to an offering that purchases that were Bitcoin, Fintonia also launched a Bitcoin yield fund. Singaporean Fintonia Group has launched 2 Bitcoin funds for professional investors. The Fintonia Bitcoin Physical Fund purchases actual Bitcoin to provide investors with direct price exposure. That's interesting. That's bullish, and also sometimes bearish. When they sell, of course, they are going to be buying actual Bitcoin, right? That's good one to note. All right, friends, and also the Fintonia secured yield funds allowed Bitcoin holders to obtain cash by putting their Bitcoin as collateral, also providing form of liquidity for the Bitcoin holders of the yield fund. Interesting one to know. Singapore fund manager Fintonia Group, regulated by the Monetary Authority of Singapore, MAS, has launched a physical Bitcoin fund and a yield fund, reported from Stellar Asia. The offering adjusts towards professional and institutional investors seeking direct passive Bitcoin exposure and avenue for obtaining loans on their Bitcoins holding. Interesting. The fund acquires physical Bitcoin, meaning we will buy the actual Bitcoin rather than a derivative instrument on Bitcoin, said Andra Chin, founder and chairman of Fintonia Group, per report. Wow, that's bullish, right? As an mass regulated fund manager with strict standards, we can connect with multiple exchanges and different market makers, enabling us to find best prices as well as buy and sell at volume, Shane said. The fund also enables efficient cash or crypto transfer, resolving the challenges around moving large amounts of cash in and out of the system. Wow, also want to know there. All right, let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. El Salvador buyers the deal by adding 100 Bitcoin to its portfolio. El Salvador again. All right, let's see here. After slipping to low of 54K, a scenario not seen in the last 6 weeks, El Salvador saw this as a perfect opportunity to buy the dip. President Nayib Bukele noted El Salvador just bought the dip, 100 extra coins acquired with a discount. Of course, interesting one. All right, was next. Vitaly Buterin proposes core data limit per block to lower 8 gas costs. Interesting one. This will be awesome if goes through. All right, Buterin issued a decreased cost and cap proposal that aims to reduce unprecedented levels of streams and risk breaking the network. Buterin post on Ethereum Magician Forum EIP 4488 highlights concern regarding high transaction fees on layer 1 blockchain for roll-up and considerable amount of time to implement and deploy data shading. Hence, a short-term solution to further cut costs for roll-up and to incentivize an ecosystem-wide transition to a roll-up centric Ethereum is desired. Of course, friends, no doubt is desired. Was there SHIB teams with former Activision vice president to create Shiba Inu NFT game? Shiba Inu, and I can't wait to play Shiba Inu NFT game. All right, friends, was here. Shiba Inu has teamed up with game creator and former vice president of technology Activision William David Vaught to consult on its play to earn non-fungible token NFT. The game, originally dubbed the Oshiverse, will be the newest extension to the SHIB's ecosystem. Satoshi Kasuma, the project leader of the decentralized meme currency, provided further details on November 26 in an article titled "The Future of Gaming is SHIB" on Medium. Furthermore, Satoshi also stated that Shiba Inu had formed a partnership with AAA gaming company to develop an NFT game which will most likely use Shiboshi NFTs. Due to an existing non-disclosure agreement, he was unable to disclose whose studio this was. Interesting one, friends. Let me know what's up with you. Let me know in the comment section what you think about this development. All right, was next? Decentralized exchange nail $100 billion. I thought earlier on I said million. Oh my God, it's $billion. Decentralized exchange near $100 billion in monthly volume for November. Interesting. Monthly data for decentralized exchanges indicate that the ecosystem has seen nearly 100 billion in volume for the month of November. According to the block data dashboard, the total for November is approximately 99.5 billion as of November 2028. Monthly volume have climbed since hitting a low for the year of 56.35 billion in July, with the November figure surpassing October 89.15 billion. Interesting, of course, you can see the data stars in this graph here provided by Getcoin, and of course the block, right? Or yeah, sure, the block crypto data. As expected, Uniswap, Victory, and V2 Exchange protocols have constituted the bulk of the monthly volume for November, reporting 47.37 billion and 24.07 billion respectively. Interesting one to note there, my friends. Good one was that billionaire FTX exchange founder Solana can become the biggest DeFi platform. All right. Yeah, of course, you see the next Bitcoin. Comment section below. Let me know what's up. Let me know what's up, guys. All right, let's see what's here. Founder of cryptocurrency exchange FTX, Sam Bankman-Fried, has said Solana will likely become the largest decentralized finance platform, in the process competing with Ethereum directly. Speaking to Kick.co News, Fred stated that Solana's unique underlying technology for developing decentralized finance protocols will also contribute to the token's price surge. According to Fred, Solana has the ability to scale millions of transactions per second natively, as aspects that offer the token an upper hand in the DeFi space. Yeah, I think that one of the most compelling parts is that it has the potential to scale to the place where things are needing to scale if blockchain gets huge. And it has the potential to host DeFi applications of hundreds of millions to billions of people on top of it, with a giant composable ecosystem. Again, that is not saying necessarily will happen, but it could happen, said Fred. All right, interesting one. Let me know your thoughts. Let me know what's up. All right, Adidas goes full metaverse with Coinbase partnership and the Sandbox real estate. All right, let's see what's there. Adidas announced the partnership with Coinbase the day after the Sandbox announced a partnership with Adidas. Adidas are partnered with Coinbase and the Sandbox. A Coinbase spokesperson said the Coinbase deal is part of Adidas metaverse push. Adidas currently has a parcel of land located to it in the Sandbox. Congratulations, Adidas, for having acquired a visual land. All right, friends, let's move on. We have partnered with Coinbase before disingenuously concluded the tweet with a crypto meme reference. It's probably not. We have partnered with Coinbase, probably not in Adidas originals. All right, friends, thanks for your time. That's the much we can take today. I value your time so much. Just before you log off, smash the like button for me, subscribe, turn on the notification bell. We do this always. And of course, my friends, 9 p.m. West African time, weekdays and sometimes weekend, we do live technical analysis. That is voice of chat, or voice of the chat, so to say. I can't wait to see you there, 9 p.m. West African time. Bye for now.